Hello friends, this is TKD. Today I am going to tell how to implement algorithm which checks one string is rotation substring of another. So we are going to use a popular data structure algorithm so as to find a method in such a way that it is called exactly once to ascertain whether it is a substring of another substring. For example, water bottle is a rotation of ER bottle WAT. So I have already written the code as you can see in the screen for you. Hence we are going to debug the code to see its implementation. Before that, you can see that I have used this is substring. This is substring is be called exactly once to ascertain whether it is a substring of another string. So let me go and debug this program for you. Debug the program for you, and here we can see the code is being debugged. So here we can see we are calling a string array for, like you can see, a part 1, a, a pair 1 and pair 0. In the pair 1 you can see it contains apple, and then we are going to move ahead. Now here you can see, now here is the public static boolean method. Basically this is a boolean method which will check that the string 1 and string 2 are of equal length and not empty. So after which we are going to concatenate the first string within itself. Here you can see we have concatenated the string apple and s2 is pleap. Now here comes the crux of the program, that is big. You can see a string of big and string of small. So basically this will require a little explanation. If you can see in this code, that is if big dot index of small greater than equal to 0. So here we find that the very first occurrence of string apple is present in the small data bucket, which is present on the larger data bucket. That is, the larger data bucket is big, that is apple. So after which we return true or false. You can see that we are returning true and false, and after which we print the word itself and the boolean value as true. So you can see just a one method call we are able to find the method to ascertain whether it is a substring of another string. So this is the way you can do. There are many other ways, but I find it more useful and more relevant following the big ON notation. And keep studying, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You have a good day ahead. Bye.